66 million years ago, an asteroid as big as Mount Everest was headed on a deadly collision course with Earth. The impact was so devastating that it wiped out the most gigantic, deadliest reptiles to ever roam our planet. But the dinosaurs didn't just die from one big boom. No, they faced a slow, agonizing end. This dinosaur-ending asteroid is terrifying. Not only was it about 10 kilometers in diameter, but it also traveled incredibly fast, between 10 and 30 kilometers per second. At this point, it was a blazing fireball. As it hurtled down to Earth, the air in front of it was compressing and heating up to unimaginably hot temperatures. Just before the impact, the asteroid could have been as hot as the surface of the sun. Once it entered our atmosphere, it only took this massive space rock a few seconds to reach Earth's surface and alter the course of life forever. As the asteroid slammed into Earth off the coast of where Mexico is now, it sent huge amounts of debris up into the air. The shocking blast wave killed everything in its way. And from here, it was only getting worse.
I'm Detective Inspector Turpin. I'm here to investigate missing body parts.
I'm not sure what you mean, sir.
Are you not afraid to challenge the natural order, Mr. Frankenstein?
No. And it's Frankenstein. We shall create a man after our own image. Questions? Well, you're welcome. I think it is time you met our monster. You have the chance to be part of something. Of what? Being electrocuted? Chased by monsters? And hunted by the police? Well, if you're going to...
Waves transport energy. During a typical day, you may encounter several different types of waves. The sound of this guitar are sound waves. This light from these fireworks contains light waves. This surfer is transported by the energy of an ocean wave. Let's take a look at the difference between mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. Mechanical waves are waves that require a medium in order to travel. A medium may be air, water, or even a solid. Electromagnetic waves do not require a medium in order to travel. These waves can travel through empty space, but they can also travel through a medium. Examples of mechanical waves are sound waves, water waves, and seismic waves, which are associated with earthquakes. Examples of electromagnetic waves are light waves, radio waves, and X-rays. There are at least 3 different types of mechanical waves. A transverse wave is one in which the oscillations are at a right angle to the wave movement. Notice that as the hand goes up and down, the wave moves at a right angle to the movement. Longitudinal waves are waves in which the displacement of the medium is in the same direction as the direction of the propagation or the movement of the wave. And finally, a surface wave is a wave in which particles of the medium undergo a circular motion. Now, the different types of electromagnetic waves, and these can be found on the electromagnetic spectrum, are almost always only transverse waves. And finally, let's talk about speed. Mechanical waves, the speed depends on the medium. However, an electromagnetic wave, when it's in a vacuum or empty space, all of them will travel at the same speed, which is the speed of light.
These are the waves. Thank you.